This is a video demonstration of the Clinical Dynamics AccuSim Total Patient Simulator's ability to generate physiologically correct synchronized vital signs, including heart rate, ECG, rhythms and morphology, body temperature, non-invasive blood pressure measurements, O2 saturation, and respiratory rates. The simulation system can be controlled utilizing the front panel of the AccuSim or remotely with serial communication protocols in the Windows-based dashboard command software package. This demonstration will feature the dashboard software with individual commands and customizable script command sets in order to generate automated instructions. The simulation data will be measured, recorded, and displayed on the Welch-Allyn Propaq monitoring system during this demonstration. However, the simulator produces physiologically correct signals that can be interpreted by any commercially available monitoring system. Utilizing the automated, customized script files, two major types of instruction sets may be executed with the AccuSim. The first category relates to quality assurance testing and failure testing. The AccuSim is able to generate physiologic signals across the entire range of vital sign parameters. Script files can systematically step through all signal ranges, exercising the full range of the electronics and transducers of the monitoring system. It can be configured to cycle and repeat measurements over an extended period of time. AAMI SP10 standard guidelines for comprehensive, non-invasive blood pressure testing can be performed utilizing program automated script files. The second category of script files relates to the system's ability to play out customized sets of physiologically correct vital signs and trends over time. Clinically relevant scenarios of stable and unstable vital signs may be generated. Response to identification and treatment of clinically significant medical conditions may be simulated, allowing for teaching, training, and evaluation of competency. Typical clinical scenarios include orthostatic physiologic changes, hemodynamically stable and unstable cardiac arrhythmias, identification of categories of shock, hypovolemic shock, septic shock, and cardiogenic shock, and hypertensive crisis. As a hypothetical example, a subject who is either wounded or critically ill may be evaluated in the field and require transportation to a hospital facility. Over time, the heart rate climbs from 80 to 110 beats per minute, producing sinus tachycardia. Temperature drops to 97 degrees Fahrenheit. O2 saturation drops from 98 to 91%. Respiratory rate jumps from 15 to 22 breaths per minute. Repeat non-invasive blood pressure measurements may be cycled either manually or automatically. Cycling of the blood pressure will drop to 100/70 millimeters of mercury. Repeat blood pressure is performed and the blood pressure drops further to 80/50 millimeters of mercury. At this point, treatments are instituted. First, hypoxia is treated with oxygen supplement and the O2 saturation climbs back to 96%. Next, a warming blanket is applied and body temperature returns to 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Following the administration of volume expansion with normal saline boluses, blood pressure measurements are acquired and the non-invasive blood pressure returns to 120/80 and the pulse returns to 70 beats per minute. Respiratory rate slows to 15 beats per minute. With serial communications and synchronized integration of the complete system, multiple clinical scenarios may be programmed and played back. This ends our overview of the AccuSim testing and calibration system. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us directly at clinicaldynamics.com.